In the Reminders app, we can use tags as a fast and flexible way to categorize and organize our reminders. We are able to add one or more tags to a reminder, such as hashtag shopping or hashtag work, and then easily search and filter reminders across lists. When adding a new reminder, we can apply a tag with a click on the hashtag button here. There are no tags saved yet, so we need to click New Tag. Let's call this tag Chores. That adds the tag to the reminder, and at the bottom of the sidebar, a tag section has been added that displays our one tag. Click on the Chores tag here, and any reminder that contains that tag will be displayed. Now we can quickly add that tag to other reminders. For the Water the Houseplants reminder, let's open the info panel and click on Tags. From here, we can add a new tag or just click on a previously saved tag to add it to this reminder. Next, let's select all of the subtasks under the Clean Garage reminder. Then right-click and head down to the Tags menu item. I'll apply the Chores tag to all of these. To remove a tag from a reminder, open the info panel and just click on the tag here to make it gray. Close the info panel and the tag is removed from that reminder. We can also select multiple reminders with a tag, right-click, and Clear Tags to remove all tags from the selected reminders. Let's add a new Work tag to a few of the reminders in the Team Project list. Now we have two tags available in the sidebar. Click on the Work tag, and only reminders that have that tag assigned are displayed. But click again, and any reminder with a tag other than the Work tag are displayed. Highlight both tags in blue here, and only the reminders with both those tags assigned will be displayed. Click All Tags to see every reminder with at least one tag assigned to it. As more tags are added, they can be really useful in smart lists. When editing the filters for a smart list, we can select one or multiple specific tags to include in the list. Applying tags can be a very powerful and detailed way to organize reminders.